Hey, you guys, it is the night before the Miss Gay Universe pageant. My package is complete. All my things are ready, and I'm very excited. A couple of weeks, I've been waiting. I've been waiting for tonight to show you this. My pop-on Veneers. I'm really excited. I'm very excited. So in the box comes your little pop-on case, right? The impression of your teeth. We got a toothbrush for your new teeth. All this stuff you can get re-ups for this on the website. It's really cool about Pop-On's packaging. There's so much information. And what's also great is that with this product, you have a 30-day money back guarantee. So for whatever reason, it's just not for you. You do have the option to return it without a problem. The staff and support team is very helpful and quick and on it. So the reveal first. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay. You can definitely feel like you have something on your teeth. Like it feels really cool. Like a hand in glove. Okay. All right. Okay, so the sensation, I'm trying not to look at the camera. The sensation is it's pretty comfortable. Okay. So now the reveal. Okay, here we go. Look at the detail. The gum line is like seamless. I love that they didn't really change the structure of my teeth. This is my smile. They helped me out with the little bucking here, but the bottom I love so much. This is my smile. This is what it's supposed to look like. Oh my goodness. This is a celebrity smile. This size is great. Okay, how did they come off? Okay. Oh, girl. Okay, first of all, I got these just to wear on stage. Just for stage. Like, that was the purpose. But how am I not going to wear these every day? See, my teeth look like wood. Oh no, I'm gonna be so obnoxious. And wear these everywhere. Oh, be my new smile, yeah. Oh yeah, they're pop-ons. They're pop-ons. They're pop-ons. You gotta get into this. I have a lot of entertainer friends. And these are it. You know what? The price is really good. I believe for a top and bottom set, it's like around $500. But right now they do have a deal where you get a percentage off. I don't know how I'm not gonna wear these every day. How am I going to live my life now? Like, oh, I don't want to wear it. Or if I meet someone new and I'm wearing these, like, this is the only way they can see me now. Like, this is a lot of responsibility to have a smile so nice.